This is strictly for anyone who wants to take back their life and freedom. Automic Trader lets you build a steady, compounded passive income from the Forex markets, and the best part is, it requires no prior trading experience. Here's an account it flipped to 139% profit in 5 months, with verified third-party account proof further down this page. Big claims, right? That's why there's big proof to back it up. What's about to be offered to you has been scrutinized and figuratively held up high to the light, rigorously tested, and has gotten its stamp of approval before being passed to you. You'll see results from third-party monitoring service MyFXBook that you could have any digital forensic experts comb through, and they will tell you they are real. If you don't already know, MyFXBook is the go-to source for verification of any fund's performance by a trader or trading software. But here's the kicker. At the end of this letter, you'll be challenged by an unbeatable guarantee that boasts of our supreme confidence it will work for you. With that said, you're invited to try this hands-free trading phenomenon that has produced 18% profit per month, with some months almost as high as 30% profit in a month with conservative risk. Here's third-party proof. Click the gray chart that looks like this on this page to verify the account. MyFXBook is a third-party independent entity. They offer an automated analytical tool for Forex traders that allows users to verify a trading account is real and valid. We provided our investor access details to them to verify the account. If the account was on a high-risk setting, the returns would have been over 50% per month. But medium risk is the preferable and recommended setting. We ran back tests and found the performance no different from live trading. Slippage and speed of execution do not factor in its ability to identify and execute profitable trades based on the results of repeated, exhaustive testing the software was put through. The beta testers who took us up on the offer to sit back for months and have this software trade for them aren't complaining either. Here's what some of them had to say. Some of these individuals have never traded in their life, while others are traders who want to give up screen time and hours to just have an expertly coded, efficient software usher them into a life of freedom and passive income. Wouldn't you like to be like them too? Because, undoubtedly, once you experience it, you'll be confident that you too can create extra streams of passive income. I'm talking about showing private proprietary trading companies those trading results. You'll show other potential investors, including family and friends, these results, and they will be totally oblivious to this secret you have. They'll be excited, and they will fall over themselves to give you money. With the returns you've just seen, 80% of proprietary income profits could give you a few thousand per month minimum. And, depending on the number of private investors you have, a 30% performance fee could get you thousands more. There's no income cap whatsoever. You determine what you earn. Even better, a separate account that's strictly for you could grow steadily month after month, year after year through compounding. Each month, the profits can be plowed back into the fund to generate even more profits until it's mushroomed into a massive sum you can withdraw a fixed monthly income from to take care of daily expenses and to fund your indulgences. Let me introduce you to Automic Trader. It's called Automic Trader because it was designed to work independently of you. It's not some indicator that prints arrows when the market is supposed to go up or down, then it's left up to you to place the trades. In our mind, that's still work, which you shouldn't have to do. Instead, Automic Trader enters and closes those trades on your behalf while you live your regular day. It does multiple times per day, building up your account, slowly, surely, allowing you to withdraw profits when you please. This is what it'll be doing for you even while you sleep. It trades 6 specific currency pairs. Why these? Because they trend well. They move over 100 pips on average on a daily basis. What Automic Trader does is identify the early start of trends on each of these pairs based on momentum and volatility. Once the criteria for entry satisfies its algorithm, the trade is automatically triggered. It then utilizes a dynamic auto-adapting trade management system to manage trades into profit all the way to the very last pip before exhaustion. It basically does what any highly skilled trader sitting in any of the best proprietary trading or hedge fund firms on Wall Street would do. But this software levels the playing field. You don't need trading experience to get these types of returns. Our programmers simply simulated years of these trader strategies, hard-coded them into the algorithm of Automic Trader, and now it's yours. If this software is so valuable, why is it being sold? The answer is simple. It is another income stream for us. You see, our money is being traded by Automic Trader too. We could have easily developed it and not share it with anyone. But we're businessmen. We stand to make more money sharing it with you than harboring it for ourselves. It's win-win. You piggyback on our strength while you secure a life of freedom and passive income. Let Automic Trader multiply your annual income by 2, 3, 5, or even 9 times over and put you on the path to your dream life. This is the closest opportunity you have to printing money without lifting a finger. Sure, that sounds like hype, but it's true. The live proof you saw earlier should convince you of that. The rate of return you will get on your money is insane compared to any investment product any financial advisor could ever offer you. If you have funds safely tucked away in one of those safe investments, take a portion out, test the returns for 6 months, and you'll be shocked by how much will be made in so little time. This is an investment that will pay for itself for years and years to come, better than dividends, real estate, or any low interest-bearing bank account. Only it takes so little to get started with an expected huge return. And let's say you decide to go the entrepreneurial route, running your mini hedge fund and trading for proprietary firms. You'll have so much free time to do whatever you want, or roll your profits into bigger investments. The sky is the limit. It's all up to you. You don't need to do anything other than invest a little seed money and then let it run. No daily commitment needed. The first guarantee is a standard one. You can sign up, get your copy of Automic Trader today, and test it on a demo or live account for up to 30 days. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just send us an email and we'll refund you. It's that simple. We always honor our refund guarantee and do our best to always help you. LeapFX has been around for years, and we will continue to be around for many more, and will always choose to honor our word and maintain our trust. Make the right choice. You can get this stress-free lifestyle today. Ready to get started? Scroll to the bottom of this page and click Buy Now.